We are now going to focus on the workspace or the workspace tabs in 3D Coat's user interface. You can access the different workspaces via the tabs or how it was presented in 3D Coat 2021, and that is using a list menu that will be located in the upper left-hand corner. Let's go to the Edit menu, Preferences, and then in the Theme tab, we want to go to this second section from the top and uncheck Use Tabs instead of the drop list to switch the rooms. So I'll uncheck that, and you can hit Apply or OK. And now you will see this bar with the Workspace tabs is removed. This can be even more beneficial when you are working in minimalist mode by hitting the Tab key, thus giving you more screen real estate to work with. In place of the tabs, you now have a list menu that contains all the different workspaces. To make your workflow even more efficient, you might elect to assign hotkeys to the individual workspaces that you will be using on a regular basis. Alright, so I'm going to go back to the Preferences panel and enable the Workspace tabs once more. Now what if we want to reduce the number of tabs that are visible in the interface? For example, we have a few beta development add-ons that are freely available to use during the beta testing period, but perhaps we may not have any interest in using them. So let's go ahead and try and hide them. To do that, we want to bring our cursor over the top of a tab, right-click, and choose Hide the Room. We can also right-click and choose Edit the Room. However, in this case, I'm just going to hide the room. I'll do the same for the 3D print workspace. If at any point I wish to make them reappear once again, all I have to do is right-click over a tab and choose Make All Rooms Visible. I'll speed up the playback while I rehide some of these and a few others. Before I conclude this video, I want to clarify that the purpose of this is to help users understand how they can choose from the two different display modes for workspaces and how they can customize it to some extent. But the logic behind the different workspaces and how they relate to one another, that will be for a separate video because it will take way too long when the purpose here is much more limited in scope. So thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.